Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Gold price analysis. $1,952 is the level to beat for XAU bulls. Powell in spotlight. A Confluence Detector. http ntvforex.com. News ID 8C74F6. 6 minutes ago by Dwani Mehta. Gold XAU USD consolidates Wednesday AS 1.30% rally in the lead up to the much-awaited Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium on Thursday. The US dollar drops with Treasury yields amid dovish Fed expectations, with markets expecting Powell to hint at a new policy framework to resolve its persistent fight with low inflation. Meanwhile, the renewed US-Sino tensions over the South China Sea dispute combined with growing fears of the second wave of coronavirus underpins the safe haven appeal of gold. Ahead of Powell's speech, traders will await fresh cues from the US Q2 preliminary GDP release. Let's look at the key technical levels for trading gold in the day ahead. Gold key resistances and supports. The tool shows that gold wavers in a tight range, with a cluster of minor support levels stacked up between $1,940.35, keeping the retracement in check. The demand zone is the confluence of the Fibonacci 23.6% 1 week, Fibonacci 38.2% 1 day and SMA 5 1 day. A breach of that area could see a test of the critical support at $1,932, where the Fibonacci 23.6% 1 month and SMA 50 1 hour coincide. The next downside support awaits at $1,923, the Fibonacci 61.8% 1 day. The pivot point 1 day S1 at $1,920 is another cushion to the downside. Meanwhile, the bulls need a decisive break above the fierce $1,952 barrier, the intersection of the Fibonacci 38.2% 1 week, SMA 10 1 day and SMA 50 4 hour, to revive the recent bullish momentum. The next hurdle is seen at $1,956, the convergence of the previous high and Bollinger Band 4-hour upper. Here is how it looks on the tool. About the Confluence Detector. The TCI Technical Confluences Indicator is a tool to locate and point out those price levels where there is a NBSP congestion of indicators, moving averages, Fibonacci levels, pivot points, etc. Knowing where these congestion points are located is very useful for the trader, and can be used as a basis for different strategies. Learn more about technical confluence. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.